Hi, Mr. Rescue Man. My husband, my baby husband. Can you come here, please?
Yeah, babe.
Come here. Tonight, I want you to make an entertainment because I'm a little bit tired. Can you make me laugh? Okay, I'll let you dance. Okay, listen. Daddy da da dan di da di da dan 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 da da di dan da di da da dan da 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 din dan 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 di da 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 dan di da 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 di da da dan 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 di da 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 dan di da 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 dan din dan 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 dan. Look at me, dance in front of me. Di da 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 dan di da 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 dan 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 dan. The audience is there. Da di da da dan di da 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 dan da di dan 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 din dan dan dan. Di da 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 dan di da 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 dan 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 din dan 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 dan. Di da 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 dan di da 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 dan din dan 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 din dan dan dan. Di da 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 dan di da 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 dan. Dun, 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 dun. Woohoo! I think I did not laugh. 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 Laugh. I did not laugh. I did not laugh. They did not laugh. I did not laugh. I did not. Where is that laughter that you want me to do? I did not laugh. No, I did not laugh. Make it more. The audience is there. Where's the audience?
You're laughing.
Where's the audience? Thank you, Ray.
No.
Thank you very much. You're helping me. You're very supportive. Thank you very much. I laugh now.
Relax.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Raymond. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Raymond, my rescue man. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bum, dee-da-da-da-dum, bum-bum-bum, bum-bum-bum, bum-bum, dee-da-da-da-dum, ba-dee-da-da-da, bum-ba-rum, bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum, bum-bum-bum. Okay, continuation of my autobiography. My mini autobiography. I was telling you about my life in the US when I came here in the USA. So it was fun. It was really fun. Of course, there was a rise and fall because I was sick. I was ill. I went to the hospital for many surgeries. But then I did also some fun with my friends. I was telling you what happened with my friends before. We went somewhere in any sportsman's bar, bar and grill. We went there, and of course, because I was the eldest, and then I have salary during the time already because I was a kindergarten teacher. So I said, let's go. But then when we arrived, I was telling you, I think I had mentioned that already. When we arrived there in the sportsman's lunch or sports bar, so everybody was just spreading away because one girl will be will be invited by another guy, another girl, was invited, and they would tell me that you don't have to pay our drinks because we already found a guy that will give us a drink. So most of the nights that we've been out to dance or to see that, I was telling you that some will play the how do you call that, pool, billiard. Some friends will be playing the dirt like that and like that, and some would be just watching the games and on a very big TV. But and some also will be dancing, and it was fun. And I was dancing. I was the only, because I was the eldest. I used to sit in the corner, and I meant to tell you, that was the time when I met my man now, my husband, that we were just sitting there, and we were just listening to the music. I noticed him that he was there at my side, and I was there on the other side, the left side, and he was in the right side. And my other friends, they were already busy talking with their guys, their friend guy talking, and then some of the guys were buying them drinks. So I was just sitting there, and then I was telling you that I feel really insecure all the time, because I was telling you because of my surgery, and I thought that I would not be making a relationship, because I had I don't want to be hurt, and I had I had all the reason why I should be insecure. But anyway, he was sitting there, and I was sitting on the left. He was sitting also on my right, and then it so happened that we were just cheering the singer. Yay, singer! We love that. It was. I remember it was a very, very nice band. During that time there were lots of bands that we could see. We followed them up wherever they go to play, to have a gig. So we followed them wherever they go, wherever they went. So anyway, so he said, "Oh, we're friends. Do you like that music?" And then I said, "Yeah, I like. You like music? You like that music?" So until we became friends. And then he said, "Are you here to listen to the music or to dance?" I said, "Well, I listen to the music because my friends and I have my nieces, 2 nieces younger than myself. Oh, so we made friends. I introduced myself to him, and he introduced himself to me. So we then we became friends on that night, and then so every night, we talk about music, because he likes music, I like music too, and then we talk about the songs that they were singing, the band singers, vocal singer sang, and then we talk about it, and then he said, that's my favorite. Most of all, we love, mostly we love rock and roll and woogie 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 boogie woogie, something like that, and something like fast music, and 1950s, 1960s classic. So we both love music. We both love those kind of music that the band was playing. So we talk about it until on that the following Friday. That was Friday. The following Friday, I saw him and he saw me. So he said, you're here. So at that time, on every Friday, but we're not related. We're just friends because we have the same interest. Sometimes we watch the ball games there in the TV. A very big screen, and then he watches and I also watch. So we talk about music, and then until that time on, every Friday, every weekend, we saw each other on the same sports is a sports bar. It's a sports bar that was in the Ventura Boulevard, somewhere here in Ventura Boulevard, somewhere there in Tarzana, something there. Um, so we said, "Oh, are you gonna be here on Friday?" The next day, "Yeah, I'll be here. I'll have my friends." "What about you? Are you be here also?" "Yeah, I'll be here." So we said, "Saturday, what time are you gonna be here?" I said, "I think 9 o'clock." 9 o'clock. So because the bands started all the time at 9 o'clock, so we always we saw each other every Friday. I have to when it's time for Friday. It's I just have to. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm gonna see my friend again. But I have to see to it that I will be hurt again. So that was for 9 months. We saw each other in different bar and grill, in different sports bar, usually in sportsman's as I remember, and there was another one in another one like I forgot the name. It's uh somewhere there in stove, something like stove, somewhere there. And then it was a long time ago, and I'm super forgetful. So we always see there. We used to go there, and then have some drinks until he offered me drinks, that red wine, and then we talk about our life. He talks about he just made his wife just passed away, and I was telling him also that 1997 my husband also passed away, and his wife also like 2 years ago from the time on passed away. So we were both single during that time. So we so that time on he because I think we started to be close each other friends. We made jokes when we watched the dancers there on the dancing floor. We said, "Oh, look at him!" So we used to laugh. We used to make jokes, and we describe some people the way they dress, and we just laugh and then just to be funny, and then we talk about things that we are both of us are interested. So until our friendship developed, and then but then we didn't mention about serious relationship. We just "Would you like to go to beach?" So, yeah, but I don't go during weekdays because I have to work. And he was retired and just retired because he retired like 65, I think. He was just retired, and then me, I was still working, more years to work. And so let's go. And you know what happened? He still tell me, "You're a cheap date because we don't go to fancy restaurant. We just go in his truck. It's a big truck. He had 4 chairs. He have tables because he's driving a big truck. Tables, and then we used to have apple, grapes, bananas, and sandwiches. And then I remember we went to the Camarillo, and then we just went to the park, and then we took our table. He has table the back of his truck, and his chairs put it there. And then people there are swimming, and then we put the tables and the chairs, and then we spread out our fruit, and then the sandwiches, and then water, and that's it. And that's it, very cheap. And he always tell me, "You are a cheap date, Nelly." And then that's what we did. We don't go to fancy restaurant. You know that big restaurant, big well-known restaurant. We just went to that Sportsman's Lunch because of the band. So anyway, for 9 months, take note, 9 months, we went out anywhere. We went to the state beach there in State Beach in the country, Ventura County, State Beach. We went to the Suma Beach, we went to Malibu Beach, but we didn't swim. We just roam around, and a lot of stories to tell, you know. We have this and we have this, but he doesn't want to mention about his family before. His family. He doesn't have kids. I have kids. One kid, my traveling nurse daughter, but he doesn't have kids. Once I start, if I used to start questioning him about, what about you? No, I don't. He would tell me, I don't want to to talk about it, because it was just a nightmare. He would tell me, but anyway, I respected his decision. No talk about it. Okay, we will talk about it. So there was 9 months of going out. When we went there, and then I told him one time, I really want to see, because we talk about sports, and I said, I want to see a sport, because we were watching a sport game there in the television, in a big screen in the sports bar, and it was a baseball. And I said, I really want to see a personal and in person in that ball games in the stadium. I said, okay, I'll bring you there. Oh my God. When I was there, he brought me there. I said, oh my God, this is what I wanted before, long time ago. I was just happy, because that was the first time I went to the stadium, you know, for where the baseball game would be playing. And then he brought me there, and I said, I want to see that place there where I saw a place there that they have you know, shooting, like a practicing in shooting. Then it's a sports, not shooting, a real shooting. It's a sports. A lot of people, they put something here on their ears here, and they do like that. So he brought me there. Range, something like range, firing range, something like firing range. So, and then I said, I want to, because he knows, he realized that I love sports, and said, I want to see that betting horses. I think I said, with I was so naive, that horses I saw in the TV. Okay, let's go. So we went to Santa Anita, and then we bet. And I chose the green color, the horses. I want the green, the one in green, the horse, the one that is on that horse is green. So I won. Only $18 I won, because they said that it should be divided. So he brought me to the place that I made mention that I want to go there, I want to go there, I want to go there. And then we just laugh and make jokes as if no, nothing about love, nothing about romantic, just go on. I think he was just observing me, and I'm also observing him. So it's in that, you want this? Yeah, I want that. So we went to that museum where there are lights in the museum. And then I was taking classes during that time, because while I was working, I was taking also classes. And then when I told him that I want to go to the museum because I have an assignment, he would come with me. So no malice at all. We don't hold hands, we don't kiss each other, we just laugh and eat until I remember we went to that sports bar until he was waiting for me. And then my nieces, I was with my two nieces, younger nieces. I said, you come with me because I will have a date with him. So my nieces said, oh, Auntie Nelly, there he is, he's standing, he's waiting for you. And he was there. He was young. He was young then, you know, a little bit, maybe 60, 65, I think 65. Auntie Nelly, oh my goodness, it's him. And they said, is that your boyfriend? And then they go, no, we're not boyfriend, we're just friends. And I told them, don't ever ask drinks from him. Don't, if he offered drinks, you say thank you and don't take the drinks that he offered. And somebody, okay, Auntie Nelly said, oh, Auntie Nelly, and he was very, very excited during that time because when he saw me, he was doing like that. He was just excited maybe because it was too long for me to arrive and he was waiting, standing there. And then he said, oh, you're here. And then I was shocked. I said, that's the first time that he do like that to me. And then my two nieces said, Auntie Nelly, thank you, your boyfriend. Why hug you? Well, I don't know why he hugged me. But he didn't kiss me, just hugged me. Oh, here you are. Because they're Filipinos, my nieces, he said, yeah, he hugged you, Auntie Nelly, that's your boyfriend. No, that's not my boyfriend. We're just friends. So that my two nieces who used to go with me in the dancing places, we said, oh, Auntie Nelly, you already have a boyfriend. No, he's not my boyfriend. And then, you know what he did? He want me to go home early, but he didn't say that, you know, for a relationship that you are my girlfriend. No, he didn't say that. But he said, oh, it's not good for you to be here in this place late on the night. Just go home now with your nieces. Okay. And then I told my nieces, well, let's go home because he's gonna go home too. He usually go home like not before 12 o'clock. I don't know that he believes in that I have to go home at before 12 o'clock. So he watched us, my nieces, the three nieces and myself. He watched us if we already have taken our. I mean, if we are already in our car, so we could go. We could go drive home, and then he said, "Oh, never mind, because my nieces are here still. You can go, and then we will follow." That was only before 12, like 11 o'clock, 11:30. He went there, he drove home, and then my nieces said, "Auntie Nelly, it's still early. It's still early. Drive us there. Where are we going? There's another dancing here. That was Friday. There's another dancing there. Okay, let's wait if he's gone already." So when he left driving home, we also have to start going that way because my two nieces loves to go there in the other place where the dancing was. So that was that was always the case when he left. Then we go also to another dancing place, because the dancing place will end at 1 o'clock. And he wants to go home like 11:30, and then my nieces, "Let's go home, Auntie Nelly. Your boyfriend." Go, "This is not my boyfriend. This is not my boyfriend. He's just friend." so that's all this there. And then when he called me the following morning, when he called me, "How are you? Did you go home safely last night?" Go, "Yeah, we went home safely." But actually we were there because my niece, who were very young, they are just like 58, 59, 57. They want to go to the place because we have their friends also there. So anyway, that's what was happening. It's like that. And so every now and then, every week, at Friday and sometimes Saturday and Sunday, we would go out to the beach. We'd go out to, he he brought me to the mountain because I told him I want to see that mountain. I want to see that lake. Oh my goodness, we went to that Casita Lake. Casita, we went to that pyramid. Yeah, pyramid something. Then we went to the this mountain there because he loved to drive. I was so scared, but then it was already like almost 9 months, 5 months, 6 months, and I already trusted him. He was a nice guy. But anyway, I will end that up for tonight because another continuation, karugtong ng aking istorya ay bukas na naman. Okay. Tida-tida-dan, tida-tida-dan, tan-da-dan, tan-tan, tida-dan, tan-tan, tida-da-da-dan, 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 tan-tan, tan-tan, tida-da-da-dan, tida-da-da-dan, tida-da, tan-tan, 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 tan-tan. Okay, thank you for watching. Till tomorrow again. Possible at this time because my husband and I will be here at home. I mean, in the morning, the whole morning, the whole day, I'm out in today I was at the Artswood senior place, senior area there, the recreation center. I was there helping, preparing their food. I was preparing their chairs and tables, and there was a bingo, so I was busy. Then I just came home like already 5 o'clock because I have to be with my friends. So every day I usually go to different seniors, Artswood, Wilkinson, and Reseda, one generation. So four senior recreation center. So I'm so busy. So when I meet with my husband at this time, so that's the time I said, can we make the vlog? Okay. Thank you for watching. Till tomorrow.